Hello children, welcome to the social science video classes. So till yesterday what did we do? We have done the remaining fill in the blanks and true false true false number 1 to 36. Now we will do the remaining true false and the other exercises of term 1 revision sheet, right? Okay, shall we start? Ready? Chalo, let's start. Question now, true false number 37. Cruise liners sail on lakes. Cruise liners जो है वो lakes के ऊपर चलते हैं. Is it true? No, this is false. Why? Because cruise liners sail on seas and oceans. Number 38. Early forms of wheels were the trunks of tree. पहले के ज़माने में लोग व्हील्स की जैसी किसको यूज़ करते थे? ट्री ट्रंक को, राइट? सो दिस इज ट्रू. Today's wheels are made of rubber and filled with air. आज के व्हील्स जो है वो रबर के बने हैं और एयर भरा होता है, राइट? दिस इज ट्रू. नंबर 40. 40. A wheel is a round object that rotates in a circular motion. Yes, this is true. Wheels round होते हैं ना, square तो नहीं होते. Helicopters carry goods. Helicopters goods carry करते हैं? No, this is false. Transport that run on tracks or rails are known as rail transport. Yes, this is true. Trains हमेशा ट्रैक पे दौड़ती है ना, right? So it is rail transport. Water transport move on land. Water transport land पे move करते हैं क्या? No, false. Water transport water पे move करते हैं. Aeroplanes and helicopters are air transport. Yes, this is true. Helicopters and aeroplanes जो है वो air में move करते हैं ना, so this is true. So we are done with our true false, right? So what are we going to do further is matching. Match the following. So here from all the lessons we are having match the following, right? Okay, so number 3 का first exercise. What is it? Number 1 is nuclear family. What kind of family is nuclear family? The answer is B, small, right? So here 1 के बाजू में हम लिखेंगे 1 का answer is B, right? Number 2, last name. What is the last name called? It is surname, right? A. So 2 का answer is A. Head of the family. अगर किसी का joint family है तो उसमें head of the family कौन होता है? It can be a grandfather या grandmother. So यहाँ पर क्या है? We have a grandfather. Number D. See? D है ना? So we write here 3 का answer is D. Father's sister. Father का sister को हम क्या बुलाते हैं? What do we call her? फैबा को क्या बोलते हैं? We call her aunt, right? So what is aunt? Where is aunt? In number E. So 4 के बाजू में we write E. Kitchen. What is kitchen? What is kitchen? What do we do in kitchen? We do cooking in kitchen, right? So what is the option? Option number C. So 5 का answer is C. We cook in kitchen, right? So 5 matches with cooking. C. Number 6. Bathroom. What do we do in bathroom? Do we cook in bathroom? No, right? So what do we do? We bath. So what is the answer? K. We do bathing in bathroom or bathing in bathroom, right? Number 7. Slanting roof. Slanting roof कहाँ पे होते हैं? Hilly areas में, right? So slanting roof is in hilly areas. I. स्लोपिंग रूफ. वेयर डू वी हैव स्लोपिंग रूफ? जहाँ पे रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होता है, राइट? सो आंसर इज जे, रेनी एरियाज. नंबर 9, हाउस बोट. हाउस बोट क्या होते हैं? फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर, राइट? हाउस बोट हमेशा पानी पे चलते हैं ना. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? 9 का आंसर इज एच, फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर. Number 10, stilt house. What is stilt house? Stilt house is built on wooden poles, right? Wooden poles पे जो houses होते हैं, those are stilt house. So what is the answer? G. 10 number, stilt house, G. Number 11, tent. What is tent made up of? Tent is made up of canvas, right? So 11 का आंसर इज F. Done? Shall we move to the exercise number 2? Chalo, let's move to exercise number 2. Here what we have? We have occupations and occupations ke tools. So we have to match the tools with occupation, right? So number 2, what is it? Let's start. Number 1 is electrician. What does an electrician use? Screwdriver, right? Screwdriver से सारे plugs shake करता है ना electrician. So 1 का answer is B. Number 2, plumber. What does a plumber use? प्लम्बर क्या यूज़ करता है? व्हाट इज़ द टूल ऑफ अ प्लम्बर? ही यूजेज अ रेंच, राइट? क्योंकि वो टैप्स को टाइट करता है और पाइप्स को सही करता है, तो वो किससे करता है? रेंच से करता है. सो 2 का आंसर इज ए. नंबर 3, व्हाट फोटोग्राफर. फोटोग्राफर, व्हाट डज अ फोटोग्राफर यूज? नंबर 3, he uses a camera, right? So answer is D. Number 4, architect. What does the architect use? Architect uses a drafting board, isn't it? So the answer is C. 4 का answer is C. Number 5, carpenter. What does a carpenter uses? A carpenter uses the hammer and saw, right? saw से वो वुड काटता है और हैमर से नेल्स लगाकर फर्नीचर बनाता है, राइट? सो 5 का आंसर इज F, हैमर एंड सॉ. नंबर 6, टेलर. व्हाट डज अ टेलर यूजेस? सीजर्स एंड सीविंग मशीन, राइट? कैंची से कपड़े काट के सीविंग मशीन से सिलता है. सो अ टेलर यूजेस सीजर एंड सीविंग मशीन. G. 6 matches with G. Potter. Number 7. What does a potter uses? Potter किस पे बनाता है pots? Potter's wheel पे, right? So 7 is E. Done? चलो, let's turn the page. Now here, exercise number 3. यहाँ पे क्या है? We have different kind of sellers, right? और वो क्या सेल करते हैं? And the games. So let's start, shall we? Are you ready? चलो, let's start. Number 1, farmer. Farmer क्या सेल करता है? या फार्मर का क्या काम होता है? फार्मर ग्रोस क्रॉप्स, राइट? फार्मर्स जो हैं वो अनाज उगाते हैं. So option number B. 1 का आंसर is B, grows crops. Number 2, grocer. What does a grocer do? Grocer sells grocery, right? So answer is D. 2 का आंसर is D, grocer sells grocery items. Number 3, bookseller. बुक सेलर क्या सेल करता है? व्हाट डज अ बुक सेलर सेल्स? ही सेल्स बुक्स. सो द आंसर इज 3 का ए, सेल्स बुक्स. Number 4, baker. What does a baker do? Sells baked food, right? So where is baked food? C. So 4 matches with C. Baker sells baked food. Number 5, vegetable vendor. What does a vegetable vendor do? He sells vegetables, right? So F. 5 का answer is F. Number 6, fisherman. What does a fisherman do? Either he catches fish or sells fish. So यहाँ पर क्या है हमारे पास? Option में we have catches fish. Number E, right? So fisherman catches fish. 6 का E. Number 7, indoor games. See, what games we have? Cricket and football. ये indoor games है? No, it is outdoor game, right? So, carom and ludo. Yes, this is indoor game. So, 7 matches with H. Number 8. अभी क्या बचा हमारे पास? G बचा, right? Cricket and football. So, it is outdoor game. Number 8 का answer is G. Now, let's do exercise number 4. Are you done with 3? Now, let's do 4. Right? So, here are the questions from your lesson transport. Number 1. Air transport. Where does air transport moves? It moves in air. Right? Moves in air. Where is it? I. Air transport moves in air. I. 1 का I. Water transport. Water transport moves on water. Right? So 2 का J. Number 3. Rail transport. Rail transport, fastest means of land transport, right? No, not right. Rail transport क्या होगा इसमें? We have goods train, right? Number D. Goods train है ना rail transport? So 3 का D. Number 4. Four-wheelers. कौन से होते हैं four-wheelers? Cars, vans and jeeps. So 4 is C. Number 5. Two-wheelers. Two-wheelers कौन से होते हैं? Bicycle, scooters, right? So bicycle and scooters कहाँ पे है? Number F. So 5 is F. Done? Number 6. Three-wheelers. Three-wheelers कौन से होते हैं? Auto rickshaw, tempo, rickshaws, right? So what is it? 6 का क्या होगा? Number E. See, there is auto rickshaw and tempo, isn't it? So 6 का answer is E. Number 7. Land transport. Land transport कौन सा होगा? Come on, tell me. Land transport is bus and truck, right? Number 7 का H. Number 8. Communication. Communication कैसे करते हैं हम? टेलीफोन, लेटर्स, मोबाइल फोन्स, ईमेल्स, राइट? सो यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑप्शन है? वी हैव ऑप्शन नंबर जी, टेलीफोन एंड लेटर्स, राइट? सो communication 8 number is G matches with G, telephone and letters. Then number 9 we have land and rail transport. Land and rail transport क्या है? Moves on land, right? So 9 का answer is L, moves on land. Number 11 water transport. Water transport कौन से हैं? See number A, steamers, right? Steamers जो है water transport है ना? So 10 का नहीं, 10 में we have air transport. Sorry, it's my mistake. 10 में we have air transport. So air transport में क्या है? We have cargo plane, isn't it? It is cargo planes. 10 का B. Number 11 water transport. Water transport में क्या है? We have steamers, A, right? So 11 का answer is A. Number 12 metro trains. Metro trains क्या है? Fastest means of land transport, right? So 12 का answer is K.